Hi everybody, Brant Keller with Keller&Keller, your favorite local full-time Southwest Florida realtors. I'd like to offer you the opportunity at no obligation to receive our buyer process guide. This is going to basically take you from the beginning to the end of the buying process here in Florida. It doesn't matter if this is your third time, fourth time, but if it is definitely your first time purchasing in Florida, this guide will be very helpful. It's going to talk about how to present an offer. It's going to talk about how the home inspection works. It'll outline escrow, all the different things that take you through the buying process. So for your free guide, all you have to do is email, call, or text us anytime. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube. We would love to be able to help you find your place in paradise.